Marty Stauffer. Join me for a goofy, funny, touching look at some wacky babies.
Wacky babies, cuddly critters, fantastic follies. They're nature's most delightful and adorable entertainers. And now they're close up in the award-winning DVD series Wild America. Over the course of 12 incredible years, wildlife expert Marty Stauffer waited, watched, tracked, and filmed the world's only large-scale, in-depth look at America's unique and spectacular wilderness. Finally, a wildlife series that the entire family can enjoy. Hilarious little ones, riotous rascals, silly situations, and tender family times. They'll have you hopping with joy and rolling with laughter as you get a rare and unusual look at the amazing secret lives of America's wild animal kingdom. 12 years of unprecedented footage on 24 incredible DVDs. Zany babies and kooky kids. Over 100 program episodes. Enough nutty moments to last you a lifetime. It's all here in Wild America. This whimsical wilderness adventure is only available through this special TV offer. The complete Wild America collection can cost over $200. But today you can get the entire year one for an unbelievably low introductory price of just $9.95. From precious playtime to crazy escapades, year one of Wild America will open your eyes to the America that you love and the animals you adore. But wait, call now and we'll also send you Animals in Action, a special limited edition double bonus DVD for free. This amazing never before released footage is a 2-hour adventure full of wild stunts and comic relief. And it's yours absolutely free when you call to order year one of Wild America. Don't wait. This is a limited time offer. Discover Wild America today. Call now.